This is going to be an almost personal reading for all signs included collective. So what are you guys going through for the next couple of days? First card we have for you guys is Ten of Cups. So you guys could be thinking a lot about your future at this current moment, what your life would be like with this person. Okay, you're basically daydreaming about your connection. Okay, how it would be to be with this person, live with this person, and to possibly attach your dreams with them, goals with them, and see where things could go possibly. Okay, but with the star card, some of you guys have kind of lost faith in this connection. Okay, one more card for what do we see happening. Okay, with chariot card, majorly some of you guys are wanting your person to make a move towards you. In the past, Three of Pentacles, top card, the Fool card. Okay, we are getting two major arcana cards. So for many of you, I believe that you want to show yourself as confident, as someone who is not affected by this connection, as someone who's wanting to move forward in this connection. But you are coming off or wanting to come off as someone who's still not unbothered, but someone who's unaffected by the connection. Okay, when it comes to your person. Okay, like how they are gonna view you. You want to show yourself as someone who's fine and possibly doing well without them. One card came with Page of Cups. Trust me when I say this, you still have feelings for them. Okay, in the past you could have tried to use work as a distraction, but right now you are very much longing this person. Okay, you really wish that they can possibly make a move towards you, and you guys could have some bits of communication. Okay, in terms of your person energy, what are they up to? In terms of your okay, we have a card already. With World card, this person is very much at a distance from you. Tell me more about this card, Spirit. With Five of Cups, they are not just at a distance, they are also missing you currently. Okay, World and Five of Cups, the distance is possibly creating them to feel different about this connection now. Okay, maybe in the past they took you for granted, but right now they face it. Now that you are not around, the emptiness is possibly killing them. Okay, bottom card we have is the Hierophant in the reverse. They were not willing to give you a commitment. Okay, top card we have is Two of Swords. But trust me when I say this, your person is still very much indecisive. Sometimes when you're in a spiritual connection, say twin flame, soulmate, whatever we want to label it as, it is not easy to possibly make a move. Because energetically we are still having to do a lot of work like before coming together. These words, these terms might not make sense to all of you, but for those who are in this connection for like couple of years would exactly understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, right now with the Sun card, this person is very much thinking about you. Okay, and with Two of Swords, in the past they made no move towards you. Even right now they are not making a move towards you, but in the coming future, I would say the next 3 to 4 days, this person is thinking of making a move towards, is thinking of, I'm not saying they are. Okay, there's a difference. So one card for their energy towards you, one card for their energy towards you. What's the energy like towards you? We have Ten of Pentacles in the reverse, which tells me that still this person isn't ready for a commitment. Okay, in the past they felt like they were not ready, and even now they feel like they are not ready. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords, and which tells me that this person feels stuck. For some of you, for selected few of you, not for all, your person could be stuck in another marriage, committed relationship, or another place of work. They are not financially well off to make a move towards you. So some things are definitely blocking them, but yes, they are blocked somewhere. Okay, one more card for their energy towards you now. Okay, we have a card already. Yeah, the same cards again. Both mean the same meaning here. That they cannot offer you commitment. They are not in a position to offer you commitment. Okay, one card for how they're thinking about you now. How are they possibly thinking about you? I'm getting cards with the same energy. Okay, they see that your connection isn't stable. Okay, they could have tried to keep it very practical in the past, like not try to make it look like a committed relationship, but rather make it look like a intellectual connection where two friends talk about life. Okay, but that was just a show. But right now, in terms of energy and how they think about you, I'll be very honest about it. They are not in a position to offer you commitment. Okay, give me one more card in terms of their feelings for you now. In terms of their feelings for you now. in terms of their feelings for you. Hermit card, still at a distance, still trying to figure out their shit. Okay. Top card we have is Nine of Pentacles. This person is clearly not ready for a relationship, clearly not ready for committing to you and committing to a relationship. Now, sometimes, even if we love someone, there are certain restrictions which stop us from completely making a move. We should not just get ready emotionally, but there are also other aspects to which we need to cater to before making a move towards a committed relationship. Okay. Sometimes, your person's willingness is necessary, but there are also other factors that are possibly going to get in the way, and you may not know about it. Okay. So one card for their current feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you now? They definitely feel ghosted by you, to be honest. Okay. They definitely miss you. They definitely feel ghosted by you. But have they given up on the connection? No. We have the star card which tells that they are still forcefully wanting to keep that hope and faith that this connection can move forward somehow. Okay. Even if it doesn't make sense to you, they are still wanting to keep that hope alive. Okay. One card for their intentions towards you now. Okay. With Ten of Swords in the reverse, if this person stabbed you in the back, or they did something or said something intentionally, unintentionally, which hurt you deeply, then they're trying to possibly fix that with you. Okay, that's their goal for the next couple of days or the next couple of weeks. I see them trying to heal the connection. Okay. A top card we have is the Devil in the reverse. So if this person had certain addictions which were affecting you, which were paining you, which were hurting you, then they are trying to get rid of that. Okay. I'll give one more card in terms of what action are they going to take towards you now. In terms of action, I see Ace of Swords. So they are trying to communicate with you, or they will try to communicate with you. Okay. We have Nine of Pentacles in the reverse, which tells me that if this person was trying to stay single from you or trying to stay away from you emotionally, then they'll possibly try to return back to you. That's a return back card. That's how I see it. Okay. Give me one more card as to what you could possibly expect for the next couple of days. Yeah, with Two of Wands, this person is definitely looking forward to you. Okay. In the past, they try to cut the cord or try to run away from you or try to run away from the connection, but right now they are kind of looking forward to it. Okay, that's how I see this. With Three of Pentacles, they are definitely looking forward to getting back with you, but I am going to again let you know that I don't see them offering you commitment. They are still want to be a part of you, but commitment part is still a big question mark. Okay, so where this is possibly moving forward for now? Where is this possibly moving forward for now? Yeah, with Three of Cups, I see for many of you getting back as at least as partners, friends, colleagues, whatever. There's going to be a union. Okay, even if it is something that you do not look forward to, I still see a strong possibility that this person will reach out, communicate, which is further going to lead to you guys coming together. Okay, again, I don't see commitment. Okay, coming together and commitment are two different things. Okay, so how do they view you now as a what do they think you are up to? With the Judgment card, they feel you're wanting to make a decision now as to what you want to do with them. Okay, with the Devil in the reverse, they may also feel like you are wanting to get rid of them or possibly trying to stay away from them. You don't want to stay attached to them. How do you view them? How do you view them? Okay, with Two of Cups, you knew that this is your person. Okay, for some of you, you know that this is your twin flame. Okay, but in terms of your intentions, some of you guys, Seven of Pentacles is at the sides. So you are thinking of, what if I quit on it? Am I going to get affected by it? Is it going to kill me? And things like that. But with Ace of Pentacles and top card Eight of Wands, but you are open to communication. Okay, even if you may think or decide of quitting in the future, you are still open to communication. That's how I see this. Okay, in terms of love messages, let's see. There's a small announcement to make. I have started a YouTube membership. That is YouTube exclusive readings that are going to be posted every at least 2 readings every week, 2 to 3 readings that are going to be exclusive on that membership format only. Okay, it is not going to be posted on YouTube. You're going to get a private link to watch the video All those who are interested, kindly join. Okay, there are two options, I believe. There's one for $8.99 and there's another one for $15. Okay, the $15 one is going to give you access to the next 10 videos that are almost personal. Okay, they are also going to be sign based. Signs included are Capricorn, Libra, there is Sagittarius, okay, there is Scorpio, and there is Aries. Okay, so far I have 5 signs for next 48-hour readings, almost personal readings, about your personal readings. Okay, so that is going to be for that. And weekly readings is up for $8.99, okay, with extended included. Okay, so all those who are interested in joining, kindly join soon. The there's going to be a small button next to the subscribe button, okay, next to my channel. So what's your person wanting to say to you now? So there we are going to be posting regular. That is not going to be posted on YouTube for the public view. Okay, it's going to be private, members only, exclusive. Okay. I miss your touch. That's one card. I know I'm not someone you trust, but I want to change that. How can you trust someone who isn't giving you commitment? Okay, but yeah. I drink to numb the pain. So this is your reading. Okay. So far I see this. In terms of communication, I feel your person will communicate. However, not today, but at least for the next couple of days, you are going to definitely get a communication message. If you like possibly wondering if they'll wish you for New Year's, they will. For many of you, you guys are going to get a wish from your person. Okay, so yes, so far we have this for you. All those who want to join the membership can kindly join it. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for your support. Every like means a lot. It possibly adds to my channel in terms of getting more views, in return getting more reach. Okay, so it's connected. Okay, thank you so much, and I wish you guys a happy new year coming forward, and I hope you choose yourself. Such connections are difficult, but that doesn't mean you possibly let it possibly consume you and kill you emotionally. Choose yourself, see your worth. When you know your worth, there is nothing that can bother you. Okay, and thank you so much. All those who are wanting to purchase a personal reading with me, kindly go to my website or shop, and you could book one for yourself. That that possibly kind of connects with you. Okay, sorry for the long announcement. I don't really wish to put on such announcement, but it's necessary. And sorry for taking the extra time. And see you soon, guys. Cheers.